Okay, on this video I'm going to show how to download the Metatrader and execute trades on the Metatrader platform using the Black Book and using the holograph system. So the first step, you want to go to www.myfxti.com and you want to go to the broker section. Now when you scroll down, you're going to see the different brokers, and for example you could say I want to create a demo account. So let me put my name, let me put my email, okay, and I'll go get a free demo, okay, and it's going to take you to the download button here, okay. So now you download this button, okay, so you download the Metatrader. And the first step when you download any Metatrader, for example, this is the FXCM one. Let me just log in there. Okay. You're going to want to go and you're going to want to open up a demo account, or you're going to log in to your live account. Okay. So let's just let it log in. On the bottom, as soon as it starts getting data, you're going to see this number, which is the speed at which is downloading. Okay, so now we're getting data, and I can go here to File, and I could say Open an Account, and this is to log in and get a demo account. Okay, and it's gonna take a little while it opens you up a demo account here for Metatrader. Okay, and let's let it connect here. Okay, and right here you see we connected, and our demo amount should pop up right here. So let's let it pop up.
Incoming mail.
Okay, and this is the terminal button where we can see. So we have 5,000 to practice with. Now, for example, we're getting a buy right here on the using our software, and we also confirmed it with our wave analysis software, which is, and you can see how they're both at the extreme lows right here. Okay, it's at the extreme lows. These are the two main waves, the red and the orange, and you can see how the red and orange line are at the extreme lows, telling us that there's a buy signal. And when we went over to our Black Book, okay, we got the arrow, which is telling us to buy. So when we buy, we got to place 4 lots. So for example, let's say I'm going to do a mini lot, I would put 0.1. If I'm going to do a standard lot, I'm going to put 1.0. And if I'm going to do a micro lot, I'm going to put 0.01. So let's do a mini lot, and we got to open up 4 lots. So we do it 4 times. We buy. New order again. We're buying again, and we go again here, and we're buying. So we got 4 mini lots open. Now we have to place our stop loss. Our stop loss is going to be below this low right here. So we're going to place it. Our low is at 150.69. So we're going to place it at 150.50. Our stop loss. So we right click over each trade. We go modify, and we're going to put 150.50. Okay, and I go to modify, and I go to 150.50. Okay, and I modify, and I go to I want to put my stop loss 150.50. Okay, and I go to right click here, modify 150.50. Okay, so I got my 4 stops placed. Now I got to put my limit. U1 is the limit for 1 lot. So I'm going to right click here, and it says 153.57. 153.77, sorry. Now the second lot, I'm going to put the limit right here at 32. So I'm going to put right click here, limit 154.32, which is our second U2, which is the second take profit for the second lot. The third lot is going to be right up here, modifying it right here, and we're going to take profit at 155.21, and then the fourth lot is going to be placed right up here at 156.65. Okay, now what we're going to do is, as soon as it hits the first take profit, okay, we're going to move on the three other lots. Okay, we're going to move our stop to break even, which the break even price would be the price that we bought in, which is right here at 151.67. So we will do break even plus 1 pip. So 151.60. So we would go right click, modify, and say let's move our stop to 151.68, for example. Okay, as soon as it hits the first take profit. So this is the way that you would place a buy order. Now if we're shorting because we think that the market's going down, and you can see our take profits and our trend is telling us down. When we switch over to the holograph software, we're also seeing that we're at the extreme highs here. So it's confirming that this is a nice strong signal. Okay, so I can go right here, new order, and I would sell first. You see how the button's right here, and it's telling me I'm going to sell, and we're going to do a mini, so I would sell, and I do the same thing, 4 minis if I'm going to the downside, and new order, and sell. So I sold 4 different lots, and you could do 4 minis, 4 standards, 4 micro lots, depends on your size, and you can see that this is a short trade because it's saying sell. These pound dollars are buy trades here, and right here we could be seeing the profit and loss. Now our stop loss is going to be above the high on this trade, so we will place our stop loss right above here, 93.51. So I right click and I go 93.51. I right click here, modify 93.51. I right click here and I modify 93.51, and I right click here and I modify 93.51. Okay, and we could put our take profits the same way right here. This would be our first take profit, 91.84. So I just put right here 0.9184. Okay, and this is our second take profit right here, which would be 91.20. Right click here and take profit 91.20. Okay, take profit 3. Right here 90.40. Okay, 90.40. Okay, and I would go right back down here and we would execute right here at 88.90. 88.90. 88.90. And you can see how these are big trades here, because our risk on this trade, you can get this cursor right here, this crosshair, and measure, okay, to our stop loss. We're having a 70 pip stop loss. You can see the middle number, you just take off the last digit, so it says 702. Just take off the last digit, means it's 70 pips. And our first take profit, we're going to make 100. Second lot, we're going to make 160, 250, and if it goes for the full ride, okay, we're going to take a 419 pip trade there. Okay, so this is how you place your orders, and to load the systems, once they're installed, they're here on the template files. Okay, so this is how you can place a trade, a short or a buy, on Metatrader 4 and how to download this Metatrader 4. The only difference when you have a live account, you're going to go to login. Your broker is going to give you your login, your password, and your server. Okay, it's going to tell you it's going to be a live server, so it'll say real, and it'll tell you which server number to log in, and you're going to be able to log into your account. If you want to open up a live account, you go to the same site, myfxti.com, and you go to real account. I like FXCM a lot, so I'd recommend using them. Also, you can open up a demo or a real account with forex.com, which is another broker. They also use the Metatrader platform. All you gotta do is click real, and you start filling out. You say if you're in the US or you're outside the US, and you start filling out these forms. Okay, so this is how to execute a trade using our system. In the future video, I'm going to show how to install and how to analyze the holograph, and then also in another video how to use the FXBB software to get your buy and entry signals, and how to use them in conjunction with both softwares. Okay, any other questions, feel free to contact our office or email me at vicenteluz@yahoo.com.